Pros of Proton VPN. Security and encryption. Proton VPN places a strong emphasis on security with robust encryption methods. Your internet traffic is shielded from prying eyes, ensuring the confidentiality of your data. Strict no-logs policy. Proton VPN is known for its strict no-logs policy. They do not maintain records of your online activities, making it impossible for anyone to trace your digital footprint. Global server network. Proton VPN boasts an extensive network of servers worldwide, allowing you to bypass geo-restrictions and access content from various regions. High-speed performance. Unlike some VPNs that may slow down your internet connection, Proton VPN is recognized for its high-speed performance, offering seamless browsing and streaming without interruptions. Cons of Proton VPN. Limited free plan. While Proton VPN provides a free plan, it comes with certain limitations. Free users have access to a limited number of servers, and their speeds may be slower during peak times. Slightly higher pricing. In comparison to some other VPN providers, Proton VPN's premium plans are slightly more expensive. Nonetheless, many users find the added security and privacy features to be well worth the cost.